Hello, and welcome back to Nowhere Bound. My name is Mike. Today, I'm with my dog Juniper, and we're taking the Jeep into the remote hills of West Virginia. We're looking for abandoned ruins of a mansion that was once occupied by an oil tycoon named William Stiles Jr. The mansion overlooked the ghost town of Volcano, West Virginia. Volcano was an oil boomtown founded in 1870, and it burned to the ground in 1879, never to be rebuilt. At its peak, there were 4,000 residents living in the town. These ruins are not well known and don't have many visitors. There isn't very much left, because most of it has been removed or reclaimed by nature. Still, I am fascinated by old abandoned structures, and I need to see it for myself.
Looking out over your kingdom, as far as your eyes can see. Did you think that you would live forever? Did you think you'd always be a king? Your life, your love, and everything. Did you ever think you'd lose it all? Because I'm standing on top of your kingdom, on these decrepit castle walls. Oh, 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 oh. Was your kingdom as big in reality as it was inside your head? You wanted a mighty empire, but you got crumbling walls instead. You didn't count on your mortality as a hurdle that would make you fall. And now I'm standing on top of your throne, and all I see are ruined castle walls. Oh,
if you decide to come here, be very, very careful where you step, because there's lots of these rocks hidden inside the weeds and you can't see them. So double check before you step. Right, Juniper? Look at that vine wrapped around the tree. It's pretty crazy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider liking and subscribing, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. If you would like to do more to support the channel and help us make videos like this more often, please check out the links below in the description. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you again nowhere soon. Take care.